Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart on the 13th of January 2019 for this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And what you see before you is the dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week that it's most likely that price will drop down to the 95 zone. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. On Monday, the market moved down below this demand area. On Tuesday, we had an inside day. The market moved up. Wednesday, the market continued to move down. On Thursday, we continued to move down into this 95 zone demand area and then moved to the upside. And on Friday, we continued to move higher, closing the week over here. So the question is this: what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week? If we're able to go above and close above this supply zone, then it's most likely the dollar will continue moving to the upside. On the other hand, if the market decides to turn to the downside, and if we go below and close below this demand zone, then it's likely the market will continue moving to the downside. So let's take a look at the larger time frames. If we look at the weekly chart, you can see we moved down into that 95 demand zone. Most likely, if we hold this zone, that we're going to move to the upside. If we break this zone, as we said on the daily chart, we're likely to continue moving to the downside. And if we look at the monthly chart, you can see we've moved down and we just touched at the top of this demand zone. If we hold this zone, or we hold specifically above this pivot low here, then it's likely we may turn around to the upside and continue moving higher. If we can't hold this pivot low over here, then it may be possible that we'll continue moving to the downside. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this coming week. What I'd like to do now is point your attention to some free training that if you have not yet done this, you should do this immediately. It's a video 15 minutes long, which will take you through how to build a profitable trading strategy. What you need to do is go to my website, tradesmartforex.com, and put your name and email address in over here and click Get Started Now, and you'll be sent an email with a link to the training. That's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. Wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.